Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have a 2021 Honda FIREBLADE CBR1000 SP. This bike only has 19 miles and is offered for $28,500 here at Contra Costa Powersports. We sold it to the original purchaser about a month and a half ago. There was only a couple hundred of them that were brought into the United States this year. A gentleman decided it wasn't right for him, so we put it on consignment. So we're selling it on consignment for him. You'll save about $1,200 to $1,300 off the price of a new one, but more importantly, you can get a brand new one because they are just not out there. There's no more new ones out there. This bike has way too many features to go over. If you're looking for the FIREBLADE, I suggest you go online to Honda's website. It's got the Akrapovic titanium exhaust, got the Brembo brakes, the Olin suspension. We're gonna key it on in just a second so you can see what the dash looks like. But again, way too many things to list. Again, $28,500, only 19 miles on it. We could provide financing as well as an extended warranty on the bike. Now we're going to show you what the dash looks like. There's no key. It has a key fob just with a proximity sensor. So you put the key fob in your pocket and just fire the bike up. And there's a little video of what the dash is. Just a super cool dash. There's all kinds of different modifications you can make to the suspension and things like that. Anyway, come on down and see us or check us out on the web at contracostaps.com, where at any given time we'll have 35 to 40 quality pre-owned bikes just like this one.